Okay, we're intersecting inequalities part 2. How about that? Alright, so now we have 3 inequalities. And this one is x plus y is less than or equal to 50, which we can translate if we subtract the x. We subtract the x and we get negative 1x plus 50. Yeah, baby. This one, y, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 20. If I subtract the 2x, I get this line right here. Whoops, where does it go? Right there. And that one is y is less than or equal to 2x plus 20. And then this one, if I subtract the x and then divide everything by 2, I get half of x and positive 15. Right? So, let's graph those things. Yeah. So the first one I will graph with my red. So I'll put a little star here so you know. The first one starts at 50 and goes over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, goes like that. So we need a line that connects those two dots like that. And then if we can make it out here, that would even be better. There we go. First line, we're shading under that line. So I'm going to put the little arrows. This time I'm going to be careful. Under, that's what I'm saying. Under, right? Under. Okay, under that line. Above the other two says greater than, so we can do that, right? Above the other two. So this one says start at 20 and go over 1, down 2, over 1, down 2. So I'm starting at 20, over 1, down 2 is right there. Over 1, down 2 would be right there. Over 1, down 2 would be right there. We can go over 1 up 2 and it'd be right there because we can figure it out, right? We know what we're doing. I hope we know what we're doing. Somewhere up there. Alright, so we got our line. Something like this. And like this. And we're shading above that line. So above that line. Above that line. Above that line. Okay, how about this one? This one starts at 15 and goes over to... Oops, that was supposed to be a different color so we could see what was going on. Silly boy. Let's make this one blue. So we'll just draw the line blue. Come on, blue. Where are you? This is the blue line. Starts at 20. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So that means this other one's going to have to be a different color. What other color do I have to choose from? Ooh. Does that show up? Yellow. Oh, yeah, that's nice and bright. So over 1, over 2, down 1. Over 2, down 1, over 2, down 1, something like that. Over 2, So we'll have our line going like this. Oh, that's a nice bright color. I love it. Okay. And what are we doing? Above. Above. And above. Oh, this one was yellow. Okay, now we're ready. Where is the shaded area? The shaded area is everything in the little triangle, right? We got this part, and this part, and this part, and this part. So I'm making little zigzags right there. Alright, so we did what we were supposed to do. We graphed the lines and we shaded the feasible region. The feasible region is all of those the little triangle there. Now we have to find the intersection point. So I need to find this dot, I need to find this dot, and I need to find this dot. And remember, the way that we do it is we use our matrix. It's the fastest way to do everything. Fast and furious. So we're going to do the red and blue line. Where do the red and blue line cross? We're going to find that right here. How do I do it? Remember, all we're going to do is we're going to the matrix. Let me zoom out just a tiny bit. And then we can... oh, here I graphed it on my calculator. And you can see it's the same picture. Whoa, what happened here? And did I zoom out or something? Oh, no, this is the different question. Right? This is a different question. Okay. So, we're doing the matrix, and we're going to edit the first matrix, and we want to put in what it says there. 1, 1, 2, 1. Right? That's what we need. So we're going to put in 1, 1, 2, 1. And then 50, 20. Right? Matrix B, 50, 20. And then A inverse times B. Oops. Uh-oh, what did I do? A inverse times B. Oh, what did I do? Let's look and see. Oh, look what I did. 20, 2 by 50. You're a silly man. We're editing number 2. So this is a 2 by 1. And we want 50 and 20. Oops, I still did it wrong. 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Now we're happy. 50 and 20. Hallelujah. Alright. A inverse times B. Negative 30, negative 80. So this point right here is negative 30, comma, positive 80. Oops, you can't even see my answer. There we go. See, negative 30, positive 80. We got it. A inverse times B. Alright, so we're going to do the whole thing again. This time we are going to... That was the red and blue line. Let's do the... so now we're going to get rid of this, and we'll do the blue and yellow line. Alright, we'll do the blue and yellow line. So here we go. So we're editing. And it's a 2 by 2 matrix. So we're going to put in 2, 1, 1, 2. Ta-da! And then matrix B. We're editing matrix B. And we're going to put in 20 and 30. And then we do A inverse times B. Aha! Fractions. So this corner right here, where's my color? I want this color. This corner right here is 3.33, comma, 13.33. I think that's this point right there. So we found this point, and that point. We just have to find one more. What is that? Well, it's not those two. So we already did the top two and the bottom two. What we need to do is we need to do the top one and the bottom one. We haven't done those two yet. So we have to mix these two together. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 2. So we go back to our matrix, edit, matrix 1, and we've got 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 2. And then the other matrix that we're dealing with is matrix 2, and it is 50 on top, right? The top one's 50, the bottom one's 30. So we need the top 50. So we're going to say 50 and 30. Kaboom! A inverse times B. 70 and negative 20. Oh, goody. 70 over here, 70. What color am I using? Why don't I do a different color for this one? 70, comma, negative 20. Okay, move the calculator so we can see everything, huh? Alrighty. Whoops, what happened to my... I need a clean piece of paper right there. How about a pink piece of paper? Will that work? Well, that works, sort of. There we go. Alrighty. Maybe we can zoom out. Oh, that's good. Alright, so we found the 3 corners. This was one of them right here. This was one of them. And this was one of them. So we did everything we're supposed to do. Graph the lines, shade the feasible region, find all the intersection points. We are done. That's what today's homework's like. Have fun. Bye-bye.